The Gogo Gateway is a cloud-based enterprise services hub. It allows our ground operations to be in constant contact with our airborne systems. So they can enable services remotely, they can change configuration data on board the aircraft, and they can monitor the health of the system real time so they can proactively troubleshoot issues if a fault arises during a particular flight. When we initially conceived of the Gateway, it had one sole purpose, and that was service enablement, the ability to remotely turn things on and off. But before we went into our design and architecture sessions, we are pulled aside by our product team, and they challenged us, hey, can you make it in such a way that it can support use cases that haven't been conceived yet? Well, that's a pretty daunting task, right? So we got together as the engineering teams, and we developed an architecture that was completely flexible and extensible. And once we started creating the proof of concept and people got excited that, yeah, this is a real thing, this is going to be a long-term solution that we can really leverage, it started the what-if conversations in the hallway. What if we can do real-time event-based monitoring? What if we could do remote software updates? What if we could bring the Internet of Things to the aviation industry and enable the first connected aircraft? The service that I really like about the Gateway is it makes things very simple for them to work with us. With a simple call into customer operations, or even doing self-service via MyGogo Air, they can enable services. They can increase their bandwidth for their next flight. Before these systems were completely decoupled. We had to do a ton of manual steps in order to turn things on a particular aircraft. And it took us days to do it. And now we can do it in a matter of minutes with a simple mouse click. I think the Gateway is going to usher in a brand new evolution for our company in general. We were already this top provider for in-flight connectivity solutions and systems. Now we're going to give you unparalleled visibility into the health and performance of your system and give you complete control over those airborne systems from the ground. With the advent of the connected aircraft, we're going to be able to provide you vast amounts of real-time data for our partners to consume to make those actionable, intelligent decisions to saving them time, saving them money, and making them more profitable.